big, Daddy.
Oh, here he comes, here he comes.
Look, what do you see?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Can you see his belly?
Whoa.
I see his tail. He's so big.
What do you think that killer whale's name is, Samantha?
Sammy.
You know a lot of animals named Sammy.
He's getting closer to us.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, is he getting air? You know, they have to stick their head out of the water to breathe.
Just like you do.
Yeah, look, there goes a dolphin.
I don't.
I wonder if they're talking to their trainers.
Big, big mom.
Did he touch his nose in the bottom? Oh, look at him, Samantha.
What's he doing?
Rubbing.
Is he rubbing? You can scratch in his side.
Oh no. He's coming.
He's coming. Say hi.
Hi.
Could you see his blowhole?
It's blue.
His blowhole. That's where he breathes out of. Look, he's going up. All right. Do you want to go watch the show, honey?
No. Ow.
Well, you get to see him do tricks.
Yeah.
No.